customer 10 years from now will look back and say, wow, you know, I didn't think that this little company would be the critical factor in my success. But that's been the story that was told over and over and over again the last 30 years.
You know, the kind of integrity that the people at Helios have, this is what the company is built on. This is how we got to where we are today.
You have to pick something you love to do, because if you don't like your job, you're never going to be successful at it.
Just being able to come alongside our customers and help them make their lives a little bit easier, that's a really good day.